You're watching this, Jeff Lever, TurnKey Product Management, Amazon advertising, Amazon launches, anything you need in relationship to ongoing optimization or management of your Amazon business, check them out.
Public kudos and just my highest endorsement to Jeff Lever over at TurnKey Product Management. I've been hoping for many years that there would be somebody who came into the space who actually got Amazon and could do a good job of managing clients, and I think Jeff is definitely the best that I know.
And with growing so quickly and being a new company, it was hard for us to dedicate the time to learn all these things ourselves. We enlisted the help of TurnKey Product Management, and boy, were we happy we did. They were phenomenal. They helped us with so many parts of our marketing strategy for Amazon. First and foremost, they helped us to update our website presence on Amazon and make sure that we had good descriptions, a good seller page, and really that it was enticing for customers to come to. The results of this were phenomenal. As I have stated already, we had really great results. We are the #1 fastest growing pod on Amazon. I would highly recommend TurnKey Product Management for anyone that's looking to get into Amazon marketing and needs a great partner to help them get their footing and put together a great strategy.